Ready to unlock the power of version control and collaboration? Let's get your GitHub journey started in under 90 seconds. First, head over to github.com and sign up for a free account. Choose a unique username, enter your email, and create a strong password. Make sure to verify your email address. Now, for secure access, let's set up SSH Keys. Open your terminal and generate a new SSH key pair using the command shkagin to 5519. See your email at example.com. Replace your email at example.com with your actual email unprompted. Choose a secure passphrase. Next, copy the public key. You can do this by using the command @SSH _ed to 5519 pub and copy the entire output. In GitHub, go to your settings, then SSH and GPG keys, and click New SSH Key. Paste your copied public key into the key field and give it a descriptive title. Time to create your first repository. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner and select New Repository. Choose a name for your project, add a description, and select whether you want it to be public or private. Congratulations, you've set up your GitHub account and created your first repository. Now you can start exploring its collaboration features, such as creating branches, pull requests, and issues. Good luck.